Repair and restoration, we again do just about anything that you want. We've had items that are completely destroyed and run over by a car that we almost have to totally remake. Items out of fires, anything like that. And then a lot of restoration is more just from wear and tear. Somebody's family heirloom grandmother's ring that's been worn for 100 years probably needs some new prongs, probably needs a new shank underneath. So we can completely restore just about anything.
Yeah, that's actually a large part of our business. We have a very, very talented jeweler on hand. Brian does some amazing work. We can do restoration on those old family heirlooms. Or a lot of people don't like the older design or the colored gold it's set in. Is what we can do is remove the stones, reuse the gold to make custom pieces for something that you'd want to wear every day.
The repairs can be from chain solders to sizings to worn shanks to worn prongs. And we bring everything back to the factory specifications, and in most cases, nicer than what the customer had previously bought brand new. And they thank you. They sincerely are appreciative of what we do, and they go out of their way to say thank you and sometimes cry.